Alright, today switching gears in the garage. The Plymouth is in the shop, seeing the professionals today. Getting a few things done that I just don't have room to do here in the shop because I don't have a lift. So today, this is a 2008 BMW 535xi. And today, we'll be putting in an amp and some subs. These subs look old because they are. I've had these for probably 20 years. They're a couple dual 12-inch in a dual box. The box had blue LED lights in it, which have all quit working by now. It's been sitting, I've had it in several different cars throughout the years. It's been sitting in a garage now for probably a good 8 years. And I just pulled it out and said, instead of sitting in the garage, I'm going to throw it in the trunk and we're going to hook it up with a Boss Audio 1100 watt amp. I'm just going to tie it into the stock wiring for the car. I bought these about 20 years ago at Car Toys for about 150 bucks, and they've worked great since then. Hopefully they'll still work after 8 years. We'll see. Also using a kicker line out converter to install it into the stock wiring system for the stock stereo. So I'm going to be tying into the two rear shelf speakers. The right rear positive is the yellow and black. The right rear negative is the yellow and brown. The left rear positive is the black and orange. The left rear negative is the black and purple. This blue wire here is a remote wire. It's going to go from the kicker converter to the amp.